In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a custom ROM on your Android device. For installing custom ROM, you'll need an Android device with more than 80% battery, TWRP recovery, the custom ROM file for your Android device, and the GApps package. Once you have downloaded the required files, place them on the micro SD card and insert that SD card into your Android device. Once you have inserted the SD card into your Android device, boot into TWRP recovery. Now select the wipe option and then click on advanced wipe. In advanced wipe, select Dalvik cache, system, data, internal storage and cache, and then select swipe to wipe. Now select the install option and click on the rom.zip file. Now swipe to confirm flash. Once done, get back to the TWRP screen and then select the open GApps.zip file and swipe to confirm flash. Once done, click on the wipe cache and Dalvik and then swipe to wipe. Then click on reboot system.